CSGANG? It's your boy, CJ Stokes, and I'm back today with another YouTube video, bro. Y'all see I ain't got no haircut, it looks so bad, bro, but they all gonna change probably Monday, you feel me? So we went on and hit that 600 nails to 700 no count. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in today's video, bro, you already know we finna be doing a prank. So, how I supposed to explain it? Alright, so I think my sister or something, she gonna wash her hair right, and while she in the bathroom, she gotta blow it out. So I'm put some baby powder in the blow dryer, and when she turn it on, it gonna get on her, you feel me? So, hey gang, I already know this finna be a bang, I already know her reaction finna be lit. So, hey gang, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we got more lit videos on the way. And this your boy CJ Stokes, and we gonna get straight into the video. You dig? Gang! Alright gang, finna get that blow dryer. Got the baby powder right here. So, I'm gonna get the blow dryer no kill. I think it's this. I think it's this one. I don't know. Hey, do this stuff come out, bro? Well, gang, this gonna be the one. No cap. No cap. Oh, shoot. Ain't even know. Alright, so. This finna be a blank, no cap. Oh, shoot. I'm putting all that in there. I need to get over the garbage can. Then I'm gonna have to clean this stuff up. That's what I'm saying. Dang, it's a lot coming out, but it ain't even going to the thing. Dumb old thing. Oh, shoot. Y'all, I think I got it. It's a whole lot on the top, though. I'm gonna have to clean it off so I won't get caught. Hold on now, stand up now, bro. Come on, bro. Alright, bro, here we go, no count. Then you can see it at the bottom. You can see it at the bottom of the thing. Hold on. Alright. I'm gonna unplug the channel. This thing ain't working no ways. Bro, if y'all get one of these and it jump run out, do not try to put nothing else in because it not work. They say it right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, gang. It's off and everything. When my sister here, she gonna get, oh, she gonna be crying, but I ain't gonna kill. I ain't gonna kill. So, I'm gonna see it. The baby powder coming out on the side. What's going on now? Hold on. Let me get my towel to see that okay coming out at the bottom. Alright, gang. So we're finna go. When she come in here, it finna be a banger, no cap. So hey, let's go. Gang. Yeah, she washing your hair, you. Girl, you gotta get everything. I'm just playing.
Yeah, why you recording me?
Cause I want to, bro. Get it nice and wet.
Arrow to the shirt. Ooh, arrow to the hurt. What happened to you, girl?
Girl got this.
I'm about to put some powder in this blow dryer. Not in that one. Not in the anus. Oh, no. You ain't put them in the anus?
What anus?
Them not them?
Why you? What, it was that black one?
Oh.
It was that black
Boy,
one?
I'm finna. Oh. You. You better hope that shit come out my.
It was that black one.
Boy, I spent some money on that blow dryer.
And it's still coming out.
Look at him.
It's still coming out.
Like moonlight. Come in. Bust him in the face. Bust him in the face quick. Give me this hair.
It's
I ain't got
still coming
time.
out.
What you finna do?
It's still coming out.
Figure my hair don't go. Put a bust him.
Who's gonna do your hair?
Ready, swear.
She need to do my hair.
I don't want to go like this, looking like this at work. I think it's all over me.
Here.
I ain't gonna need to do it. Then you got my blow dryer. Thank you.
It's
You gotta help it clean up right.
It
I don't care.
It smell burnt.
How you clean it? Just get it what time?
Hold it.
I can use this.
Y'all hair white too.
What?
Y'all hair white too.
CJ, don't play me.
Oh, that was supposed to be on. Dang, girl, your hair white.
Boy.
Ooh, that thing is. Ooh, this thing burned. They don't got the baby powder smell like this.
I don't know. You better figure it out. Really today. You gotta wash your hair again.
Who got wash that hair again?
Right?
And you gotta clean that thing out. Get him away.
I ain't clean nothing out.
Get him away. Yes, she is.
No, I'm not.
I'm finna kill him, y'all. He put him in my brand new dryer. I'm finna, boy.
Your hair messed up though. Let's see.
Gripping my neck like this.
No, I mean that. Oh,
Y'all let me put the hammer down on CJ. See, look, y'all.
Y'all hitching your
Let
face
me put the
down.
hammer down on CJ last night, y'all. Can't nobody do nothing with my baby.
She really ugly. Girl, your hair messed up and it's dry. You better go wash it again.
You always put. Okay, don't touch me.
All right now.
You ain't gotta touch me.
Before I face you. You want to get faced? You want to get faced? All right then. Better wash that dry stuff.
Stop talking to me.
This still dry. You got a ball of gray hair in your head. Ain't it? You scared?
I want to
ain't
be there one of your videos.
You
Boy, if you don't
scared nothing.
I'm trying to hear me.
Yo, play with it. Play with it. What the gloves at, boy? You don't want no smoke. You soft, nigga.
Man, there one of
You
your
soft,
videos.
nigga. I
Ooh,
smack
that.
you right now. Nigga.
Man,
You
stop.
ain't gonna do nothing, nigga. You scared. You just a crybaby, nigga. Nigga. That little shirt on, little pan, boy. Big teeth, yellow teeth, boy. Shining on, big bump on your nose, little boy. Keep playing, boy. Hey, gang, as you can see, it was a banger video. I didn't even know my mama gonna jump in, but she jumped in. I didn't know I used the wrong blow dryer, but she jumped in, no cap. So, gang, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 700 subscribers, no cap. We gonna get there, no cap, I'm already knowing. 1K might come her off, might don't. You never know, you did. Go read my description. Follow me on Instagram, CJ_Stokes2. Gonna give me the 2,000 followers, you feel me? So, hey, gang, we got more lit videos on the way, and this your boy CJ Stokes, and I'm out. Gang.